tired of burning your hand trying to fill your 8 HP transmission? We've got a new tool to help with this. All right, so to set the fluid level on these 8 HP transmissions, it's got to be on a lift, running and all that hot. Most importantly, it needs to be level. So we use the micro adjusters, I'll call them, I guess, on this lift to get this level. Use an angle finder here on the transpan rail. It's 0.8 degrees, so less than 1 degree off. So that's nice enough for the chick's eye to eat. Sorry, babe. So let's fire it up, get it warmed up, and throw some fluid in it. So this fill plug is conveniently located right next to your nuclear hot running exhaust. And I've got some burn scars to prove it. So you take the drain plug out and you would pump fluid in there. The problem is holding the hose and crap in there while you pump fluid. So we've designed this little fill port fitting. It's the M18 thread or M16 thread, I'm not sure. Anyways, it's a metric thread here. It's got a hose bar for your fluid pump. We've designed around the cheap parts store fluid pump. And then there's holes in it. So the protocol to fill the transmission fluid up to temp is you pump fluid in until it leaks back out of this port. So we've drilled these 6 holes in here so that wherever it gets tight, you've got a leak back out. You put your hose on, pump it full until it leaks back, screw this out, put your plug, the stock plug, back in there, and you're all done. So let's try it. Doesn't really have to be tight, doesn't have to seal because we actually want it to leak back when it's full. So just finger tight is good. So the barb on here is a 3/8 hose barb. This is the pump that we designed around. It's actually a 5/16 hose, but with a little fluid on it, it wiggles on there, nice and secure so that you don't have any trouble. All right. The reason you have to fill these while they're running is they need all the passages full in the torque converter. That's why it's not just a static run level fill, a static not running fill level, because then the converter and stuff's not full. So I get why they did it. I just don't love having to do this. Fun fact, it takes about 105 pumps per quart to pump this stuff in there. All right, we're getting our first drips coming back, so it's probably getting pretty full here. And go ahead and unhook our hose. Right, yeah. Give it a good snug. We'll clean up our mess and turn this thing off. So save yourself the burn scars and pick up your 8 HP fill adapter from ICTbillet.com today.